top residential plumbing services in Calgary? Well, the first one's going to be maintenance. The hot water tank, the furnace, boiler in your house, water softener requires maintenance. If you go into the manual, there's going to be an annual maintenance category which must be done by a professional. This includes cleaning of the heat exchangers, inspection of the various components, pulling out a multimeter, gas manometer, making sure there's no carbon monoxide leaking. All must be done annually. It tends to get overlooked because there's not usually a thorough onboarding process when people take possession of their new home. Other services that happen in Calgary are drain cleaning. Really common, soap scum, food particles that go down kitchen sink drains, kids flushing things that they shouldn't down drains, all relates to backups. It's really common to have sewer-related issues. Getting a plumber out to site to be able to solve those problems before they create more damage, super important. And then there's also the creature comfort side. Adding hose bib locations outside, adding hot and cold like water lines in basements, creating sinks. Those are all common service calls that we get, as well as fixing toilets. Be it a new toilet, sink, or faucet. Sometimes we want a new look in our bathroom. Sometimes the performance of our existing equipment isn't good enough. So there's various reasons to call. And what you're looking for there is that someone's giving you some options, and then be an active participant in solving your own problems. The more comfortable you are in your house, being able to take a photo from close up and from far away to be able to help the plumber come and solve whatever problem they're solving in one trip provides you the best cost certainty and then allows everybody else to go back on their day.